Hello YouTube, and today I am going to be showing you how to remove a cistern like this. So this one is a Roca cistern. So as you can see, it's Roca. You might not have a label on here, you might have a label. If you find the label, that is more handy to then know how to remove a cistern like this. So a cistern like this, it just looks like your normal cistern, but it doesn't have a lid here. So you're thinking, how do we remove this to get to the parts inside? So there is no fixings underneath that you need to touch, so do not be fiddling around with anything under here. You don't need to turn the water off. All you need is a large Phillips screwdriver and a medium-sized flathead, or even a small flathead. So with these tools at the ready, what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to go gentle with this because it is plastic. If you're forcing it too much, then stop and maybe call a plumber. But what you're going to do first of all is you're going to flush the toilet. Like so. And with your flat bit, you're going to push down on the button, just a small moon. It's quite fiddly. So you're going to push down, on the circle, and you've got to get your screwdriver in between and prise up the moon. So put that to one side. Now you need to get your screwdriver in at an angle and pop up the full moon, like so. You can just put that to one side, or you can take it off completely. Then you can either use your flat bit and undo the screw, or switch over to your Phillips, which I'm going to do, and lefty loosey undo this screw. And you can lift out this centre piece, and that is what is retaining the lid to the toilet. So you can then lift this up, make sure it's straight, and get to all the parts inside. Then if you need to put this back together, you've got to make sure all them bits line up. Slide the cistern lid back over, like so. And then you've got to do everything in reverse order. So this button's got to line up, and you've got to screw that down. Don't do this too tight, do this just finger tight, like that. Make sure it flushes. And you put this big moon, full moon back, like so, and then you put the half moon, line that up. There you go. And that is how you gain that entry to this Roca cistern. If this video has been helpful to you, please subscribe to the channel, give this a thumbs up if this has been helpful, and leave a comment if you get stuck or anything like that. And yeah, check out some other videos on how to get into cisterns. There's plenty on there. They'll be under the how-to section. But for now, I hope everyone has a good day. Take care.